Hey, what's up? I'm Ivan.
I'm Ashton.
And we're going out of this world on this episode of Face
to Face.
Recently, thanks to El Paso Community College, some students from El Paso Independent School District were able to have a video conference with some astronauts that were actually on board the International Space Station as it orbited around the Earth.
That's pretty exciting to get to video conference with astronauts in space, and that was a pretty special video conference. But I'd like you to know that all El Paso Independent School District students and teachers have the opportunity to video conference with NASA. There's something called the NASA Distance Learning Network, and it's a whole huge catalog of different video conferences with NASA. And they've got them all the way from kindergartners through 12th grade, lots of math programs, but everything from our solar system, math on the moon, how to fly a shoebox, women in aviation, space suits for first graders. I mean, there's wonderful programs out there, and they're all free. So here's the website. Click on the event catalog and look at the program.
Wow, so it sounds like NASA really has a lot of great educational resources for schools.
They sure do. Actually, they do video conferencing from all 10 of the NASA field offices.
That's incredible. So let's take a look at the video conference that EPISD students recently had with astronauts on the International Space Station.
This is actually part of the Student Spaceflight Experiment Program that EPCC is participating in since 2 years. And we organized this together with this project through the Smithsonian, and as you could see, it's really showing us how the astronauts work in space.
We actually had the opportunity of having a video conference with the International Space Station, the commander, and one of the other astronauts that's up there right now.
Yeah, I think this is a very great opportunity, especially since we're involved with this program, and we have sent already our second experiment into space. The students were wondering how does that look like and what happens to the experiment up there. And now they have a chance to really look into the space station and get an idea what this might look like.
It's definitely important. If the school has these opportunities for the students, it really opens up your eyes as to what kind of opportunities are out there. People have the encouragement to continue with their education, get higher degrees, and even pursue dreams that maybe a lot of people don't think are realistic. I think video conferencing is really a great opportunity for El Paso. I'm not really sure like how much we're on the map right now, but I think it definitely helps promote us as a community, and particularly education-wise, I think it'll help the young people in our city.
This is an excellent idea to use this video conference, the way of communicating with the astronauts. I mean, the astronauts are very busy. We don't really realize that. We think they're just up there and sleeping and looking at the Earth, but they are very busy, and to get them to interact with students is excellent.
We have time for one more quick question from El Paso, Texas. El Paso, please go ahead with your question.
Thank you. Have you ever seen anything in space that surprised or scared you?
Everything surprises you in space. From the time you get up, cruising through a lab at nighttime with everybody sleeping and floating down a dark aisle, to just when you lose control maybe of your drink or your water bag.
I really think such video conferences are a great tool to make the students interested.